Imagine getting fined for owning only one pet, or breaking the law just by chewing gum. Around the world, there are rules so strange, most people don't believe they're real until someone gets punished. Some laws were created for safety, some for health, and others for reasons so bizarre. They sound fictional, but every one of them is real. Let's explore the strangest laws people must follow every single day. Fact number 1. In Switzerland, it's illegal to own just one guinea pig. Swiss animal welfare experts discovered that guinea pigs are extremely social creatures. When kept alone, they suffer stress, anxiety, and emotional decline, similar to depression in humans. Studies showed lonely guinea pigs eat less, move less, and live shorter lives. Because of this, Switzerland passed a law requiring owners to always keep guinea pigs in pairs or groups. Some people even rent temporary guinea pigs when one dies, just so the surviving pet won't be legally alone. Loneliness is officially considered animal cruelty, a law built around emotions, not punishment. Fact number 2. In Alaska, it's illegal to wake a sleeping bear for a photograph. Bears can sprint faster than a horse, reaching speeds over 35 miles per hour. When startled awake, their fight-or-flight instinct activates instantly. In the past, tourists approached sleeping bears to get dramatic photos. Some shouted. Some poked them. The results were brutal, serious injuries and deaths. Now, disturbing a sleeping bear is a criminal offense. Not just to protect people, but to stop bears from being killed after defensive attacks. One careless selfie can end to lives. Fact number 3. Chewing gum is banned in Singapore. Before the ban, gum was everywhere. Stuck to sidewalks, train doors, elevator buttons, public seats. The government was spending millions every year just scraping it off surfaces. So, in 1992, Singapore banned the sale and import of chewing gum entirely. Only medical gum, like nicotine gum, is allowed by prescription. Anyone caught smuggling or selling gum faces heavy fines. The result? Singapore became one of the cleanest cities on earth. One small habit changed an entire nation's appearance. Fact number 4. In France, it was once illegal to name a pig Napoleon. Napoleon Bonaparte was a symbol of national pride and power. Calling a pig by his name was seen as disrespectful, even treasonous. At the time, pigs were associated with dirt and foolishness. Authorities believed people were mocking their former emperor through animal names, so the law made it illegal to name pigs Napoleon. While it's no longer enforced today, it shows how seriously reputation and leadership were protected in the past. Even farm animals weren't free from politics. Fact number 5. In Japan, there's a law focused on preventing obesity. It's called the Metabo Law. Every year, adults between 40 and 74 get their waistlines measured during health checkups. Men must stay under about 33.5 inches. Women under about 35.4 inches. If someone exceeds the limit, they receive mandatory health guidance on diet and exercise. Companies and local governments can face financial penalties if too many people fail health targets. The goal is to prevent diabetes, heart disease, and rising medical costs. Today, Japan has one of the lowest obesity rates in the world, under 5%. A law that reshaped a nation's health. From protecting lonely pets, to banning gum, to measuring waistlines by law, the world is filled with rules stranger than fiction. Every law tells a story about culture, safety, and human behavior. If these weird laws surprised you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another unbelievable fact. Because reality is often stranger than anything we imagine.